Let's see how we can deploy a full-stack app completely for free. Here you can see I have two folders, backend and frontend. The backend contains our Node.js API, while the frontend contains our React app. First, let's run both the frontend and backend locally. This is a weather app, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly. Now let's push our code to GitHub. I've pushed the frontend and backend into two separate repositories. Keeping them in separate repositories is a good practice because it makes the project easier to manage, maintain, and scale in the future. Now let's deploy our backend using Render's free tier. Go to render.com, sign up using your GitHub account, and give Render access to your repositories. Once you're inside Render, you'll see several options. Click New Web Service, connect your GitHub account, and select your backend repository. Give your service a name and select the free plan. Next, we need to add our environment variables. Click Add from .env, choose your backend.env file, and then click Add Variables. Now click Deploy Web Service. Render will start building and deploying the project. It usually takes less than a minute. Once the deployment is complete, Render gives us a live URL. Let's open the /health endpoint. As you can see, the status is OK, which means our API is working. Now let's deploy the React frontend using Vercel. Go to Vercel, click Add New Project, find your frontend repository, and click Import. Before deploying, we need to add our backend URL as an environment variable. Use the API URL that Render gave us. Now click Deploy. Vercel takes just a few seconds to deploy the frontend and gives us a live URL. Let's open our website and test it. Oops, it doesn't work. The problem is CORS. Our backend doesn't currently allow requests from our new Vercel frontend. To fix this, copy the Vercel frontend URL and go back to Render. Open your project, go to Settings, Environment, and find the client_origin variable. Edit it and replace the old value with your Vercel frontend URL. Now click Save, Rebuild, and Deploy. Render will rebuild the backend with the new configuration. Now, let's go back to our Vercel frontend and reload the page. Let's search for a city, and there we go. Our weather app is working perfectly. And that's all you need to deploy a full-stack app. Connect your React frontend with your Node.js backend, and make it available online, completely free. If this video helped you, like and follow for more coding and deployment tutorials.